So, this is our ukay-ukay days in September 9. Yan, nasa Stockport na kami. Actually, we ride the bus. So, naligaw-ligaw pa kami. Hindi ko alam yung way. Pero yan yung first shop na napuntahan namin. Yan. So, nakapamili na kami nila mama and papa dyan. So, we're going to the next stop. But, for the meantime, we will take lunch. So, ang favorite, Pepe's Piri Piri. Yan, sobrang busog na kami. So, may energy na kami for the next ukay-ukay. So, pumunta kami dyan sa second shop and we didn't get anything. Yan, naglibot-libot kami and yan yung next namin. Third stop. And picture-picture muna before sa next. And yan na nga po yung pang next namin. Wala rin ako kasi medyo And here, meron kami nakuha kahit isa lang. So, yan. To end our day, we went to Ozzy Restaurant. But we went to other shop at that time. But hindi ko na nabidyohan. So, yan. Napakasarap ng milkshake na order namin ni Mama and Papa. Strawberry and vanilla. Super love it. 10 out of 10. Ayan. While waiting, this is near to their school sa St. Joseph. So, yeah, we are so happy and enjoyed the vibe and ambience of place. And after that, we went to school to pick up the kids. Yun lang. Super happy day for us. Bye!